no. Big one. Oh, another nice fish. This one was like 5 feet below the ice. Oh no, trapped in the deucer. Might lose him. Dude, this one was literally 5 feet down. Get the GoPro on. Come here. Come here. Seen a mark. Reeled up to it. Just instant. Dark fish. Oh, you can tell he's been cruising around shallow. Come here. Got a stinger in the hand. There we go. That is a thick daddy. There. This is absolutely too much fun. This one is thick. That is long. Thick and nice, beautiful, dark fish there. Talking, this one popped up when I first seen it. It was, I don't know, 20 feet down. Reeled up. Boom, he hit it so hard, missed it. He came right back and hit it again. Look at those beautiful colors on this fish. Whew. All right, let's get this girl back. Dandy. It's a dandy. Big lamprey marks on all these fish today. Oh, easy, easy, hey, easy. Get this big girl back. Green. Oh, turn around. There she goes. See you later, girl. Oh my God, dude. Can't be doing this to me.
There he is. What?
Heck yeah.
Getting your workout in today. That one popped off too.
Yeah. That's it's too much running.
Nice little eater size one there.
Yeah, about the same size as the last one, huh?
Yeah.
Looks a little chubbier though.
That does.
Alright. Over here just greasing them. Dude. Look at these grunting. Way done. Way done.
You got my...
Alright. I'm gonna get after it once again. I'm winded, not in shape. It's been a long winter, guys. It's barrel season. Watch the Nook, boys. Get after
That it is.
Alright, this guy's been creaming them. We're gonna get on some few more. Sun's still high in the sky. We got plenty of time. Hopefully we can get a few more. Okay. Oh. Back at it. Little lunch interruption over there. Got a nice smoker, 24-incher. I'm gonna get back over here and finish my lunch and get back to dinner. And these broths are already ice cold. Pretty sure it froze right to the pan. Broken kneecap. Oh, here we go. No way. Still down there. Here he comes. Here he comes. Here he comes. Oh, I got him that time. Oh, now we loosen the drag a little bit. Oh yeah. Nice fish. Nice fish. Oh, just killing him over here. Come on, transducer frozen. Oh yeah, better fish. Better fish here. Oh yeah, big fish. Oh yeah, this is a big one. Oh, it's a giant. It's a giant. There we go. That's a good one. This one's got a little more of the big nose on him. Sick, dude. Dude, I missed this one so many times. I'm talking. That's not bad. It's my biggest of the day. Getting up into that. He's into the 30s. Huh? Probably get a tape on this guy quick. You got one handy? Dude, I miss him so many times.
No way.
Yeah, not bad. Nice and chunky, healthy. Fought like a grease pig, looks like a grease pig. I like when they get that nose.
Oh, yeah.
Start bulbing the nose.
Dude. Big lamprey mark on him. He's just fired too. Oh! Till next time.
No.
Here he goes. Holy buckets, grease pigs, dude. They're just flying around down there.
Brett has taken over my hole and he's already hooked up. Gosh, I'm sick of running today, guys. Just give me too much of a workout. It's my last time. Looks like I do some more. I'm gonna die. What's going on over here, bud?
We have a taker. Thanks to Maya for letting me use this hole.
Sorry for the heavy breathing.
I love this rod. Some good action to her. Is there something?
No, it's just once in a while.
We're spread out 500 yards.
See him?
I see him.
What do we got?
It's a decent one.
Is it?
Biggest one of the day.
Ready? Scoopy doop. There we go. Yeah.
Yeah, it's nice.
Yeah,
Let me get let's get a look at that, girl. That's a good fish there.
Yeah, it literally came off the bottom, dude, and just as soon as I started reeling away from it, was flying.
That is a good one, dude.
So
Heck yeah, bud.
That's a beauty.
Let's get a sick release on her,
Yeah,
huh?
let's get it unhooked.
Quick hook pop out.
Hook pop
Give her
out.
one more look. Ooh,
That's a
dandy right there.
That is a beauty. After, what, 15, 20 minutes? Got 3 or so?
It's crazy.
Just a beauty, too.
There she goes. Next time.
Slime time. Heck yeah. Sweet.
Just like that, there we go. Another laker down. She's probably a little over 30. Nice and healthy, thick, fat, greased monkeys. Now we all got one. That's sick. It's a successful Duluth Superior trip. Duluth Superior. Idiot. Lake Superior Duluth trip, I would say. Pretty successful and a fun day so far. We've still got plenty of time to connect on a giant. But if not, we'll just keep plucking away, keep on jigging. See if we can get a couple more. Yeah, this is fun. I'll be back. We'll be back a couple more times before this ice leaves. Oh yeah, gonna hit it. Come on, come on, come on. Right about now.
Got him, too.
Oh no!
Way.
It's coming. It's coming. It's still coming.
Hungry.
Yeah.
Still on it?
Yeah. It's right below guys though. He's gonna have to hit it now or never. He came in and hit it hard that first time. Turn around sized up. It's ridiculous at this point. That sucks.
It's pretty fun to watch though. Been sweeter if he hit it your second time. Yeah, he hit you way up there, didn't he? That first time.
Yeah, he went way up there for it. This is insane. Well, that's gonna do it. Sun's going down. What an awesome day out here on Lake Superior. Sad to leave the Great Lake Superior. Fun day. Lake trout are super aggressive there in the middle of the day. Just burning the reel, and they'd catch it and just boom. Small hair time. Fun time. Those guys got some fish. I got some fish. Nothing huge, but a lot of them, and we had an awesome time. I don't know what else to say. Signing off. Until next time, hit that like button, smash that subscribe button. Don't know where we'll be next. We'll be on the ice somewhere. We will see you then.